I guess you call me kind of fickle. It hasn't rained in months, and all of a sudden every single day now we seem to be getting rain, and it gets old and tiring. But rain is actually a sign in the Bible of blessing from God. And just as rain falls on dry, cracked ground and brings things back to life, God's word falls like rain on our hearts to restore and renew and grow something beautiful. Sometimes it feels like we're going through dry times or dry seasons and times of weariness or doubt or silence where sometimes our soul feels a little bit empty. But one of the beautiful things is that God's word never fails. And when it falls on us like rain, it doesn't fall in vain, it falls with purpose. Rain doesn't rush the process, it soaks in slowly, nourishing roots that are unseen. And in the same way, when we receive God's promises, we may not see instant change, but underground, in hidden places of our lives, His word is still at work. So when you are feeling spiritually dry, don't despair. Open your heart to His word, let it rain. Trust in that time it will produce life, growth, and fruit.